what I've started with is a simple prompt where I've said, hey, let's create a Flask app that's going to display a web page that says secure vibe coding with Semgrep. And I've given it some super basic instructions and specifications for how I want to have this rendered, what kind of CSS, what it should look like, and so forth. Pretty simple here. I submitted that this morning, and you can actually see with vibe coding, Cursor is actually going to kind of break this down into 5 to-dos here. So you can kind of see it's going to build the Flask app, build the HTML, implement the CSS. What's really cool now, though, is with the MCP, it always is going to add this last to-do, which is I'm going to run a security check with Semgrep. And so going back to those principles Eric was talking about, we want to make sure that we're securing AI code as it's generated. And so let me just show you how that all happened. So we have this MCP tools. You can see here, Semgrep has its tool. And again, as Eric was saying, one of the neat things about Model Context Protocol is almost like giving agents different tools that it can use to accomplish different tasks. So as an example, one of the 9 tools that our MCP server gives the agent is the ability to run a Semgrep scan. So this is a scan of your code using those rules that are written either by you or by our security research team, so that you're actually getting security reviews live while you're doing the vibe coding. Another tool that we allow it to use is the Semgrep findings APIs. So you can actually query existing findings in your backlog and go fix them. And there's a bunch of other tools, but those are the 2 that I'm going to show today in the demo.